Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick unboxing video from the 2023 Cruise Collection purchase. Let's see what I've got. This is the first item, which is a smaller size black and white brooch. This is beautiful and I really love the size. It's more cute than the normal size. Don't you love the Christmas wrapping, by the way? And for the second item, this is a small elegant. What is it? Ta-da! This is a seasonal card holder in white caviar leather with champagne gold hardware, or actually yellow gold hardware. And I love this seasonal heart details. It's so cute and it's a bit playful as well. I love it. Third item, it's more a classic piece. And it is the classic card holder in regular size in black caviar leather and also in yellow gold hardware. This is such a classic. Alright, here comes the fourth item. This is a pair of earrings and it is in black and white again. I really love black and white and this retro and vintage looking vibes. Last but not least, it's also a pair of earrings in pearl and yellow gold color in flower details. They are so cute and retro, isn't it? So these are my 5 items. Actually, I have the 6th item, but I didn't show it here, which is a pair of classic sling bag in the flats. So that's it for my video today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!